What if the universe isn't endlessly expanding into cold emptiness, but is instead recoiling, returning inward, spiraling back toward its point of origin like a cosmic breath being drawn in after a long exhale? This idea, that we may be living in a contracting universe, challenges the dominant narrative of entropy and heat death, replacing it with a vision of cyclical rebirth, elegant symmetry, and timeless intelligence. In this view, time itself is not linear but toroidal, a looping, breathing rhythm in which creation and destruction are not opposites, but phases of a greater continuum. Galaxies speeding away may someday slow, stop, and race inward, not in chaotic collapse, but in orchestrated return, as if the cosmos were exhaling itself into being only to eventually reabsorb its essence. If this is true, then time as we experience it may be a temporal illusion, a single frame in a vast spiral of moments that endlessly loop, forward and backward, outward and inward. Our memories, dreams, and déjà vu might not be tricks of the mind, but fractal echoes of timelines we've lived before, or are destined to live again, but in reverse. Consciousness, rather than being tethered to linear cause and effect, could be the observer outside time, experiencing both expansion and contraction as a unified breath. As ancient traditions whispered and modern physics begins to hint, the universe may not be a machine winding down, but a living organism pulsing with intention. And in that pulse, we may find that every death is a return, every collapse a reset, and that the next Big Bang may not be an explosion, but an awakening back into the singular source from which all things came.